Welcome back to the channel, guys. On today's episode, me and a couple buddies went chasing the elusive walleye. I don't really do a lot of walleye fishing. I actually just barely got into it this year, so I feel like we did extremely well given my experience level and Caleb's experience level. I think Zach has actually fished for walleye before, but me and Caleb not so much. Given those two things, I think we did extremely well. You'll have to watch the video to find out how many we caught, but we caught a good amount of them, and we got some good eaters, and we released a lot of nice breeders as well. So stay tuned. I hope you like the episode, and we'll catch you at the end.
On that bend too.
Alright guys, Zach's hooked up. I like this. I got another flashlight now too. It's hard to film in the pitch black.
You boys just put that thing out.
Yeah, literally just barely.
Yeah.
And that was the first. So that was the
That's that bay rat. The last rod you just put out.
Yep.
Would you put that on 78?
Yep.
Well, guys, you put your bay rats out to 78 feet behind your bow.
Hey, he knows what he's talking about. Feel like a good fish?
Yes, but this is the first time reeling a fish in on this lure.
Oh, okay.
This lure feels like a good fish to begin with.
Yep.
But now it does feel like a really decent fish.
Heck yeah.
I'd probably put 22, 23 inches on it.
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah, she's starting some resistance right there, yeah. She wants to go.
Oh, there it is. Flopping on top.
Oh yeah, that's what you sound to it.
Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish.
I think that's a nice fish, boys.
That's a good one.
That was a nice flop. I can't wait.
It was. I can't wait to see what it looks
That
like.
was a serious flop there.
Going for the motor. Oh, dude, that's a big one.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish.
Yeah. He swallowed that thing.
Yeah, you want me to net it for you? Or you got it?
Yeah, I'm gonna give him a couple cranks and step backwards. He's not ready.
Yep, straight back. Yep.
Okay. No, he's not.
He ain't in the net. Oh, good friggin' dude, he swam right into the net. I thought he was in there. He is now anyway. That's a good fish.
Yeah. That's a big one, dude.
That's gotta be a 23 incher. You want the pliers, Zach?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Nice. That's a nice chunky one, dude. Yes, sir.
Nice fish, boys.
That is a nice fish.
Just to show you guys we don't keep them all.
Back in she goes. Gotta leave some breeders. What do you think, Caleb?
I have no idea where I'm going right now.
Follow the map.
You can't really, it's kind of hard.
78. Oh yeah, keep it right underneath that bucket.
Underneath the paddle here. go?
Don't let it go yet. I'm not ready.
Okay. Let me know when.
Slowly start lighting up on it. Yeah.
Yep, Caleb, I'm making some of these things, dude. These reels here, or the mask.
I'm sure they're not allowed to make.
No. Do you have any? Do you got any stainless pipe at work by chance? Do you happen to throw away all the time?
Yeah.
Give me 2 5-foot sections.
Buy just you can buy just this clamp.
Oh yeah.
And then you can go to the other place and buy just that pulley, West Marine. That pulley's like $5.
No shit.
Yeah, you could probably buy just this reel for like 15 or 20 bucks. So.
Yeah, they're really straightforward, you know.
Yeah. It's right there. Feels small as it's on the top of the water now. Hey, it's picking pretty good though. Yep, you got that net right there, too? Ah, that's a pretty nice eye.
Nice one.
Yeah, that's a decent walleye.
That's a good one.
Nice. You just said. Surprised you haven't gotten one. All right, where are them pliers? There.
Put that down there, it's all the way up.
Yeah.
That was
What'd you have it at?
55.
You had it at 17 right there?
Yeah, 55. Down.
Yeah, you just put that fucker out, dude.
I'm gonna change that bar color way out there, that fire tagger.
Yep.
Hasn't done it yet.
Yeah, that's a nice eye.
That's the beauty.
Measure.
I'd say.
That's the lower slot, dude.
You think so?
No.
I was thinking like 19.
That's like 19.
No. Get him on the tape.
Okay, maybe it's too
Look at his tail.
Yeah, it's all mangled.
maybe it's too
What do we have in the boat right now?
big. 19 and 21 and 3/4.
17 and a quarter. 17.
Too big. It's almost lower slot, 18.
Yeah, he is. Oh. Yeah, probably 18 and a half with a tail pinch.
Yeah.
Let him go.
That's a lower. Good, one pass.
How's it feel, Caleb?
This is crazy. We're popping them left there, man.
We are. Got 2 on the floor already.
It looks like a small one.
Does it? I don't know,
It
dude.
didn't fight till we got to the boat.
It looked like a big one on that rod.
Felt like a big one when it set the hook.
Oh, I just got slapped by a fish. I'm standing
I might have to net it for him.
I have no idea. Oh man.
It looks like a good one, dude. There he is, right there.
I see his eyes. I see both of his eyes. That's pretty cool.
It's a small guy. It's a lower slot limit.
I don't know, dude. That's a nice little walleye. Looks like it.
Let's get that other rod out of there real quick.
Yep. Yeah, it's a slot limit.
Yeah.
Well, we need to go.
Throw it right over. Put the net on the sidewall. Boom, perfect.
All right, there you go.
Dude, slot limit.
15 to 17.
The 2 bigger walleyes are down there, but that one's got to be at least 16, I would say.
Grab him by the gill plate, bud.
Scared of it.
We only got 2 lures in the water out of 5.
Whoa, the rods keep on popping right off. I like this setup. It's pretty fun.
It is on days that you catch fish.
Yeah.
Days that you're not catching
pliers,
fish.
please.
There you go. Yeah, he hammered that thing.
Yeah, he wanted it. This one's hot. This is the second fish off this one.
Yeah.
Get him? Alright, here's the tape. There you go. That's got to be in the slot.
I think it's 15 and a half right there.
That's gotta be a perfect slot.
What do we got?
No, it might be small.
No, it looked like 14 maybe.
No, wait, stop moving, dude.
Here, lay him right down flat and I'll hold him down. Maybe not.
I'm telling you, he's a
Bicycle.
feisty guy.
He wants to go.
Oh, it's 15 and a quarter.
15 and a half.
15 and a quarter? Do
15 and a half.
do the tail pinch on him. Just make sure.
Oh yeah, all day. 15 and
15 and a half.
3/4.
Alright. 15 and 3/4. He's a keeper. Man, that fish looks bigger though. I thought it
felt a lot bigger.
Yeah. Feels like a smaller one.
3 hours later.
It does look a hair too big.
Yeah, definitely too big. Keep going. Line, step right in. Too big. Go down 17, 18 feet with that.
I'll measure him just for shits and giggles, but
That's an 18.
it's gotta be.
Yeah, almost.
19, almost.
Almost 18 and 3/4.
Back to the water he goes. You got the fish or the fish got you?
This is a better one right there. Or he's like riding on top of the water and sideways.
He is, he's right up there. They've all been doing that though.
Yeah, they're coming up and then coming up.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Fighting?
Oh yeah. He's fighting. Oh yeah. Guys, I think this is a little bit faster.
Yeah, it's comfortable.
He's right up there, Cooch.
Did I lose him?
No, he's right there. You can't see that fish?
No.
He's right there. See his eyes?
No.
See the white belly?
You can't see his eyes right there.
Oh man. He wants to be running.
He's literally floating on top.
God. Oh, drag.
Yeah, you
Okay.
turn forward, turn forward. Oh, you're turning the wrong way. Forward.
Forward.
Yes, it will. Keep turning. There you go. You gotta keep far
You
back.
got gummed up. Alright, back.
No, he's still there. He's just right on top of the water. That's a good walleye. Dude, look how long he is, Coach. I can't believe you can't see that fish. You can see him, yeah. He's literally right there. That's funny.
Better call the VA tomorrow and say, hey, I need some new glasses.
Dude,
My eyes are messed up right now. I can't see shit.
that's a nice walleye.
I can't see it.
Right there. You see the lure?
Oh, I see him.
Now you can see him?
I'm not trying to force him, but I think I am.
Dude, you're not, I don't think you're forcing him. He's just floating on top. He's coming right to you.
Lift up, reel down. Lift up, reel down. He goes, let him go.
Oh, that's a small one.
Ain't bad. Straight in.
That's deeper. Maybe.
Maybe. Let's measure him.
Yeah, Mike, that looks like a female in the 18.
Want pliers?
Oh, yes.
There you go.
That was a lot of fighting. That's just as yarn the man.
Yeah, you're having some sort of technical difficulties.
Stop biting the net, dude. Let go. Oh,
That's a nice walleye. Let's see what he measures.
17.25.
I don't know, it might be short.
Yep, 18 and a half.
Throw her back. Sorry, did you need to fight for your life, bud?
That's which one it is.
Guess which one it is? The one with the orange belly?
Yeah.
Nice.
Did you get me putting that on film?
I didn't, but I should. I should have.
You can get it on the next one, because I'm definitely putting an orange belly on that one. No question.
Yeah, it's definitely working.
Dude, feel the sheer weight of that thing.
Yeah, that's a good fighting
Give
fish.
him a crank down.
Alright, there you go.
Give him a crank down.
Oh yeah, dude, that's a nice fish.
Yeah.
For sure. Want to take him the rest of the way?
Nah, go ahead, bud.
He's right here. Yeah, that's a good eye right there. Not hooked by much though.
Oh, he's gonna thrash.
There's the motor.
Oh, that's a good eye. That's a big walleye, boys.
Nice.
Holy cow.
Yeah, that's a nice one right there.
That's a 26-incher right there.
I'll let you take this and I'll unhook it.
Yep.
Just barely, that little tiny hook in it.
That was a good fighting fish though.
That was a heavy fish. It felt
Yeah.
like.
What is that measure now? Holy cow.
That's got to be at least 20, 22, 23 maybe.
No, it's bigger than that.
You think so?
23, 24. That's probably about as big as what I caught last weekend.
Well, we'll find out right here, Caleb.
I think it's 23. You want to pull the tape out so you don't flop when I let go. 22. 22.
Nice. That's a nice fish.
Has a weird mark on it too, like the one last weekend.
Nice fish, guys.
It is. Back in the water. The lure modifications are happening. And it's working. Little piece of orange duct tape.
It's actually orange lure tape.
Oh, orange lure tape.
Bought at your local store.
Caleb's on.
Feels like a little dot.
You think it's in the slot or what? Or below the slot, whatever you want to call it?
I don't know.
Give him 5 cranks and he's going to say it's a big one.
I guess he's still got a long line.
He hasn't surfaced yet. They don't fight till they surface.
He's like he's coming in to me nice, but I guess I've only got him 50 feet in.
Right? Yeah, he's still hugging down deep though, isn't he?
Yeah,
I mean, you got him almost through the boat, and he's just down deep.
Caleb, you can hop on this other side so you're away from the motor.
Yeah. Caleb.
Oh yeah, this is a big fish.
Hop to the other side.
Caleb, hop to the other side. I'll net him for you when you get him over.
He's getting closer.
Yeah, I can start to see his eyes right there. You got to bring him to your left-hand side hard though, so.
He doesn't want to go though.
Move your rod to the left though. He should come. That's a nice looking fish, from what I can see. His eyes are far apart.
Oh man.
Oh yeah, it's a long fish. That might be a fight.
His eyes are red though.
That looks pretty long. Oh, that's definitely a walleye. Oh yeah, that's a decent fish.
There you go, you got him out of the weight now.
He's not want to come in.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Bring him that way if you can, you're getting close to the motor.
Oh man. Oh. That bites.
Screwing with you? That's a nice fish. Don't want to come in, does he?
He's not fighting. He's not fighting. Yeah, that's a good one.
That is. Might be one of the biggest of the night.
Got that thing choked down his throat. Alright, lift up, walk backwards.
Maybe. Might be like around 18 and a half. Still a nice fish though. He might be over. He might be over, Caleb.
Maybe. I don't know. He looks awful close. Got orange though again. Oh,
Boy, it's a good thing I netted him, dude. Popped right off. Or did you take that out?
he popped right off.
Popped right off. Huh. Look at that.
Yeah, that looks big enough. I don't know.
We'll see.
Oh, right there. Right there. The other orange one.
Nice.
You want to take the wheel? Yep. Oh, that's a pagan, dude. Oh, that's a pagan.
Okay, we're heading right towards shore, buddy.
Yeah, you gotta cut this way. You gotta cut that way.
I'll try to measure this guy up.
Yeah.
That's small.
You need to get this hook out of this net so I can use the net again.
Yep.
Oh, that's a good one.
Nah.
Good shotty.
No, I don't think he is. I think he's too big. You got us turning out. Yeah.
This shoreline is
Number 9.
number 9.
So that one was 19 3/4, Kev. So you do want to keep that one?
Yeah, might as well. Look at the
All right. And
That's
it's a little
even longer.
longer, a little skinnier though. Probably ought to keep the male. That's probably a male too, but there, number 9 released. Smaller one? Oh. That's a decent one.
That's well.
Yep.
Get him off right there.
Perfect.
This one just woke up. Wow, he was a little feisty.
No, 20 almost. 19 and a half.
Yeah.
You did the tail pinch.
Yeah.
Another nice one.
Good stuff.
Heck yeah.
Nice color on him.
Alright guys, I hope you liked that episode. I think we did really well. We ended up catching 12 walleye total. And I think we fished from about 9 o'clock at night to, I think we fished till 2:30 in the morning, but the bite almost turned off completely at about 1 o'clock. As you saw, we were trolling mainly using the planer boards, and then we had one downrigger down as well. So we had five rods out total, 2 on each planer board, and then one on the downrigger straight off the back. So they definitely liked those deep diving lures we used, and you saw the little orange duct tape or lure tape trick that we used, and that actually seemed to make them bite extremely well. So if you like this episode, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll be doing some more episodes like this very soon. Hoping to get back out for walleye this coming weekend, and we're also got some catfishing videos that I'm hoping to pump out too. But for now, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.